Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make cake in oven by using Weikfield oven cake mix chocolate flavor. Let's start the procedure. First, open the box. Now take a bowl. Empty the contents of the pack. Now add the water 120 ml. ,40 ml of vegetable oil. Two eggs. Mix it well without lumps. The batter is ready. Now take the baking pan and apply the oil or butter. Keep the butter paper. And pour the batter. Now preheat the micro oven at 170 degrees centigrade. Click on convection button until it reach 170 degrees. Click on start button. Preheat option is blinking, that means oven is started to preheat. Let's wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Preheat blinking is stopped, that means oven is successfully preheated. Place the pan in micro oven. Now set the timer for 40 minutes. Now click the start button. Wait for 40 minutes. Cake baking is completed. Take the pan. Cool down for 30 minutes. After cool down, remove the butter paper. For garnish purpose, adding Hershey's syrup. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.